Chua sa kanya kung ah, lahat ng mga responsibility niya ay nagagawa niya. Sabi ni District Engineer MD Alcantara, masyadong marami, di ba? Kaya na, sagot mo, masyadong marami yung pinipirmahan mo yata yung ginagawa mo na hindi mo na kaya. Ano ba yung pagkakasagot mo?
Hindi po, marami lang pong dumadating na papel po sa
Maraming dumarating na papel sa'yo
Your Honor.
na yung iba ay hindi mo na talaga pinag-aaralan.
Pinag-aaralan lang po, but sabi ko nga po, Your Honor, I base my signature on the reports and signature.
Kanina, binanggit mo rin na District Engineer Alcantara na yun ang kakulangan mo. Ano yung kakulangan mo? Paliwanag mo nga sa amin, ano yung kakulangan mo?
Ang binabanggit ko pong kakulangan ko ay yung kakulangan kong puntahan po yung project dahil nag-rely lang po ako dun sa mga nakapirma pong mga tauhan ko.
Hindi lang kakulangan niya, malaking kakulangan niya. Hindi mo napupuntahan. Sapagkat mandato mo rin na-monitor yan tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Hindi mo napupuntahan dahil may tiwala ka, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Tignan nyo Ayan. Ibig sabihin, kung ilang mga proyekto hindi mo napupuntahan, wala ka napupuntahan proyekto.
Binanggit po kanina, meron naman po akong napupuntahan.
Kanina, binanggit yung mga proyekto mo na hindi pa tapos Ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga proyektong sinabi ng ating Pangulo na hindi pa sinimulan pero nakalagay completed na, hindi pa tapos pero nakalagay completed na, kasalanan yan ng District Engineer. Tama ba ako? Mali.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun pala naman dapat talaga kasuhan ka. Tama? Tama ba ako mali?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun. Ngayon, teka, ikaw pa, sabi dito, you rose from the ranks, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan ka nagsimula sa DPWH?
1994 po, Your Honor.
1994. Kailan ka naging district engineer?
2019, Your Honor.
2019 ka naging district engineer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-assign sa iyo to be a district engineer?
The former Secretary Mark Villar, Your Honor.
Secretary Mark Villar.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Malakas ka ba kay Secretary Mark Villar o ikaw lamang ay tamang tao na ilagay dyan?
Nag-apply lang po ako, Your Honor, that time.
Nag-apply ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun lang. Chairman, gusto kong bigyan linaw dito, no?
Mr. Chair.
Alam nyo, mayroong mga tanong pa ako. Mamaya na lang siguro.
Mr. Chairman, short manifestation.
Alala po ba na?
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Akop. Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is in connection with the questioning of the Chairman Chua. The 2019 ka naging district engineer.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Itong mga projects na ito, which are questionable, nangyari noong anong taon?
Yung pong PL ay, I think, 2025 po yung tanda ko po. At yung binabanggit po ng Pangulo ay 2020, I think 2022 or 23 po yata. Ayun.
Ngayon, ang tanong, engineer, kayo po ba ang nag-propose ng mga projects na ito na may isama sa NEP?
Gaya po
Pakisagot lang po. Kayo po ba ang nag-propose ng mga projects na ito para may sali doon sa NEP ng district office nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, kayo ang nag-propose. Walang iba kundi kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this was never changed by the Plans and Finance Office of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, walang politiko na involved dito. Kayo po ang nag-propose na ito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That's very clear. Now, kayo po ang boss ng DEO, right?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang pinakamataas sa
Yes,
district
Your
office.
Honor.
Okay.
Opo.
And therefore, you're responsible sa lahat po na hindi mangyayari o mangyayari na masama. Kayo po, di ba? Kasi kayo ang boss
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, kayo po ang may responsibilidad lahat ng katarantaduhan na nangyari doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Very clear.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Suwan, and then Congressman
Mr. Chair,
Mr. Chair, may I
So
just
one-
be,
Dimagila, Congressman Ko. Then we will go to the next interpellator, okay? Which is, who is here? Congressman Tino for the minority. Di ba, Maya? We're just stating the order.
Mr. Chair, may I just be clarified? Engineer Alcantara, you were promoted as district engineer in 2019.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who appointed you?
Secretary Mark Villar. Yes, Your Honor.
So it was the
Former,
former secretary, and that was from the previous administration of the former president.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, next,
Check.
Congressman Dimagila.
Can we flash yung contract ng February 2025? Yung kontrata. 2025.
Please
Yung
flash daw
kay-
po yung
Kaya ano ni
PL
kay Chairman
contract.
Chua.
Sims Construction Trading Contract.
Engineer, pag pumipirma tayo, we're very mindful of the dates at saka yung project kung ilang araw na. There's this contract yung Ghost na 55 million. In less than a month from February, then the next month, March, nakakubra ng more than 45 million in less than a month. Is that possible?
Depende po, Your Honor.
Flood control. Ito yung Ghost, ha? Ito yung Ghost, sabi ni Presidente.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the next month, yung ayan, ito. February 24, 2025. Contract agreement. Hindi naman agad sa February 24 nag-start yan, syempre, di ba? Meron pang award yan, etc. Then the next slide, yung resibo. Yung resibo. March 19. Aba, wala pa talagang isang buwan. March 19, nakabayad ng 43 million. Yung una. First, yung partial payment. Less than a month. Ito ha. I mean, napakahirap intindihin. Kasi nga, ghost eh. Ito ang problema eh. Ghost to eh. Now, posible ba yan, engineer?
I think, depende po, Your Honor, kung, kasi sa flood control po, yung sheet pile, they can do it within 3 weeks. Or a month.
Engineer, tingin ko nga, kinabukasan, pwedeng mag 95% completion. Mali ka doon. Kinabukasan, pwede. Ghost kasi. Diba? Now, engineer, sabi mo, nag-rely ka masyado sa mga staff mo, yung iyong project engineer, yung iyong mga nagpapayad, no? Kasama mo ba sila sa opisina?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasama mo sila sa opisina? Araw-araw, pag may pasok, syempre, kasama mo
Yes, Your Honor.
tapos sabi mo kanina, hindi mo personal na napupuntahan, pero weekly, may pa-meeting ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sabi mo, nag-rely ka sa kanila at nagpe-present sila ng pictures.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong picture yung ipinresent sa'yo? Ghost project nga ito.
Yun po ang, actually, nung silita ko po yung implementing section, nung nalaman ko pong may ganyan, silita ko po bakit nangyaring mga ganyang bagay. For the information of the Honorable, Your Honor, I'm the one who report Secretary Bonoan on August 7 at 5 p.m. upon investigating these matters, Your Honor.
Pumutok na kasi.
Your Honor, hindi pa po nagpupunta si Presidente na ako po yung nag-report.
Well, pero pumutok na. Nagsona na eh. Pumutok na. And of course, alam niyo nang mangyayari. Now, engineer, sa tingin mo, no, you rose from the rank, bakit ikaw ang huling pipirma? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng ikaw ang huling pipirma? Ano ibig sabihin?
Ako po yung pinakamataas.
Yes, I mean, bukod ba sa pinakamataas, hindi ba may kasama itong mas mataas na obligasyon?
I think, Your Honor. Right.
Diba? Tapos, engineer, pag tayo nagbabayad, sabi mo, bank to bank na ito, di ba? Pero may resibo eh. So obviously, upon the issuance ng receipt, may corresponding cheque.
No, wala po.
Wala.
LDAP po, Your Honor. LDAP.
LDAP, okay.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sino yung staff sa office mo na sumasama sa kontrakto?
Sumasama po sa
Oh,
contractor.
pagkukubra sa land bank.
Hindi po, bank to bank po yan, Your Honor.
Okay,
Transfer
let's say,
directly to
sasabihin
the
ng
bank.
kontraktor, nag-withdraw na ako. Sino yung staff ng opisina mo ang pumupunta sa kontrakto?
Wala po. Diretso po ang withdraw po. Bahala na po sila doon. From DBP to contractor po. Accounting po ang nagsasabit sa bangko ng listahan po ng i-release.
Engineer, yung mga staff mo na pinagkatiwalaan mo, pumirma at sinabing na-inspeksyon na niya. At iyon ang pinaniwalaan mo, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pinirmahan niya na na-inspeksyon niya, pero hindi. Tama?
Tama po.
Hindi, tama. Pwede ba nating i-assume na kaya siya pumirma na na-inspeksyon niya dahil kasabot siya noong kontraktor?
Posible po, Your Honor.
Talagang ganun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung magbabayad, yan ay siyempre, kasama yan. Kasama yan. Ngayon, sa opisina, hindi mo naramdaman na nagpapartihan sila? Gumanda ang buhay nila?
Wala po akong ganong pananaw sa kapwa ko, Your Honor.
Wala kang ganong pananaw, engineer.
Actually po, hindi ko po pinakita naman yung private
Hindi
life.
mo pinag-isipan yung mga staff mo na parang ang bilis nating magtrabaho ah. Ang bilis nating magtrabaho. Diba? Tapos yung punta naman, yun yung ghost, puntahan ko yung substandard. I mean, naisip ko si Presidente, hawak yung simento na nadudurog daw sa kamay niya. Tingin ko, kung nandoon kayo, baka ipato sa inyo yun eh. Diba? I mean, alam natin yung trabaho ng mga engineers eh. May project monitoring kayo, may technical kayo eh. And yet, hindi nyo ginawa. Hindi nyo yun hindi ginawa out of kapabayaan. Ginawa nyo yun kasi intentional dahil meron kayong ibang intention. And pag yung ibang sinapi na natin, yung mga staff ng sinapi na natin, definitely, magsasalita sila. At tingin ko, kinakailangan i-clarify na natin to.
Yes, Your Honor. I agree with you, Your Honor.
That is all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman De Maguila, Congressman Ko, and then we'll proceed to the interpellation of Congressman. Kasi, Congressman Ko muna. Pero short lang, Congressman Santos. Sige ba? Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would like to raise a question to our district engineer. What will be the basis of your collection in the projects in your respective district?
Connection, Your Honor.
Collection.
Collection. Collection po, Your Honor. The basis of my collection is the signature of my accountant.
No. But I mean that the collection will be based on a percentage accomplishment of work.
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I
Yes, Your
correct
Honor.
to say that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, how could you collect a ghost project?
Your Honor, as
What
I-
is the basis of your collection to a ghost projects, to those unfinished projects, and to those substandard one? Because this is under the supervision by the project engineer. Am I correct to say that?
yes, Your Honor.
That there will be attached SWOT to a progressive billing
Yes, Your Honor.
statement of working assessment.
Yes,
Am I
Your Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, are you amenable that you are part of this project anomalous?
I'm not, Your Honor.
Amenable?
I'm not. Di po ako involved dyan, Your Honor.
You are not involved. So, how come that there is what we call a ghost project or substandard one? Well, in fact, we have a quality assurance unit that there will be a daily inspections at the time they have constructed after it was implemented. How come?
Yes, Your Honor. I do believe that there is a engineer in charge of the quality, that is the materials and quality section, Your Honor.
Yes, I know for the fact, but that is under your command responsibility.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you agree to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, I would like to raise these questions. Who are in charge of project contract management application? Who are in charge of this? Because this is the counterpart of quality assurance unit. The functions and duties is to monitor projects, transparency, and geotagging. Am I correct to say that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So there's no possibility that there will be a project of ghost, project of substandard, and unfinished project.
Your Honor, the PCMA was...
So I move, Mr. Chair, that those identified respective engineering district who is in cahoots with a contractor should be suspended immediately. This is what we call a preventive suspension to prevent them from further doing wrong. So move, Mr. Chair. This is a preventive suspension to prevent them from furthering wrong. Look, this is not the solutions of the problem that one district engineer who committed a mistake should be transferred to another district engineering. So because our constituents now is in quandary, ano na ngayon ang sistema ng investigasyon? He must be suspended at the earliest possible time. Preventive suspension. So move, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Kwong. To be very clear, I think this is a manifestation